Let's do our next exercise to make an up down counter. Okay, so here's my digital switch which is connected to pin number 4 will act as up counter, and here's my switch which is connected to pin number 7 will act as down counter. Okay, alright, so here's my front panel. Now let me open my block diagram. Here's my block diagram. Okay, now let's maximize it. First of all, draw while loop. Alright, okay, now I added stop condition. In the stop condition, now you need to place Arduino initialization and Arduino close function. Okay, first of all, assign COM port. Okay, here's my COM port. Now from Arduino library, select digital input output pin. Okay, now I have connected my switches to pin number 4, which will act as my up counter, and its pin mode will be input. Okay, and next pin I have connected with pin number 7. First of all, connect your Arduino source and element, and your digital switch which is connected to pin number 7 will also act as an input. Okay, alright, so first of all you need to read the digital input, so go to again Arduino library and select digital read pin. Here's the digital read pin. Okay, now first of all connect Arduino resource. Now here you are going to read pin number 4 first, and then pin number 7. Okay, first of all connect your Arduino resource and route. Now it will read my pin number 7. Okay, alright. As you know, digital input will give you only two values, either 0 either 1, so your value will be displayed here. Okay, so now you want to make an up down counter. Alright, so as we have done in our previous exercise, if you remember my previous exercise, okay, we have added a shift register and initialized it with 0. I want to increment by 1. First of all, let me connect my shift register, which would be my initial value. Now here you want to increment by 1. Alright, okay, that's it. Here you will get your result, and your result will depend upon the action of your push button that you have connected in your Arduino board. Okay, so your result will display here. So just right click on it and create indicator. So first of all, I'm doing increment with pin number 4. Switch connected with pin number 4. Increment. Okay. Alright. So true value you converted you connected with the result, and the false terminal will be connected to the previous value. Alright, so here you read the value of your push button. Okay, so first of all again add shift register. Now initialize it with 0. Okay, so it will compare. Let's use the greater than symbol. Okay, so here it will compare the read value with constant 0 value. Alright, and its output will go to the S terminal. Okay, and this will connect it to here. Okay, so similarly you will write the same program for decrement. Okay, there's my decrement. Okay, so here you will get result for decrement. Okay, first of all you need to add a shift register. Here is my shift register. Okay, initialize it with 0. Alright, the same process. Okay, now here instead of using the plus symbol, you'll use minus symbol. Subtract. Okay, and here you get your output. Alright. Okay, now here you also add a shift register and initialize it with 0. Okay, so this read value will go to here. One terminal appear greater than, and its output will be connected to your S terminal. Alright. Okay, and this value will connect it to here. Okay. Okay, now if you want to add a net result, then you will get your net result by adding these two functions. Okay, because this function is giving you the increment value and this function is giving you the decrement value. Okay, now if you want its net result, okay, so let me do its net result by just adding these two functions. Function number 1, which will give my increment value, and function number 2, which will give my decrement value. Now here I'll get the net result. Sorry. We get a net result. Okay. Alright. We don't need this. Let's maximize it first. There's my net result. There's my decrement. Okay. Here's my COM port. Here's my stop button. Okay. Alright, now let's increase its size to 24. Okay, now refresh your COM port. Okay, here I connect my Arduino board. Alright, so your COM port detector is COM6. Oh, there's an error. Okay, so go back to your block diagram. Oops, I forgot to connect the Arduino resource with this Arduino resource. An error out with this error out. Okay, alright. Okay, now hit run. Here is your increment indicator, and here is your decrement indicator, and here is your net result. Alright, I'm pressing the switch which is connected to pin number 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, and decrement. And this one here you are getting your net result. Alright, so here how you can make the up-down counter. Here is your up-down counter basically. Alright, so that's it about digital input signals. Now let's do our next exercise, analog input signals.